Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And this video, this is the second one from my simple floral series, and today we will be painting very simple flowers. Starting off with just wetting the part of the paper where my petals are gonna be and the shape of the petals, and then picking up some darker brown and just on the root of the petal tapping in that color. You should be careful when you're adding water to your paper not to add too much water to leave puddles. If you do leave puddles on your paper, then the paint won't spread. So it needs to be a very light coat of water, just enough that you can see it on your paper. And then also just moving in the center, adding a little bit more of that darker paint to the center. Also, just wanted to mention that all the materials and supplies I'm using will be listed down in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. Now I wanted to switch and just paint a couple of flowers differently, just to show you that you can paint those in a multiple ways. I'm having just a dirty brush, actually not very light wash of the paint in it, and then painting in the petals, rinsing it slightly in the water just to spread that paint all around, make some parts a little bit darker, some a little bit lighter, and then picking up that darker brown to paint in the center. And that is basically how you can also do. You can skip that part where you pre-wet your paper. Now with this liner brush, I'm just painting in a couple of stems, and as you can see, I'm not really trying to paint those stems entirely. They are broken, and that's fine. Now just a couple of leaves, again painting in part of the leaf, and then rinsing my brush and smudging it with water. Couple of splatters, of course, and with that I'll be finishing off this painting and this video. This is definitely very simple flowers, but very beautiful, and you can definitely use also any color you like. You don't have to use the same colors as I did. So if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, comment, and if you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!